Welcome to this Dynamic Maps video where we'll explore the editing tools in MapThat Mobile. Once you've opened MapThat Mobile and zoomed to street level, from the bottom left hand corner we're going to finger tap on the Browse button. We've got some options at the bottom. The one we're going to click on is the editing or the drawing tools, which is the icon in the middle with the pencil. So let's finger tap on that. MapThat Mobile will list all of the layers that you've currently got in your project, so we could start editing any of those layers. We're going to choose the planning apps at the top. So finger tap to make the choice and press OK. Within the map window, any features in that layer that already exist will be displayed. In this case, we've got planning applications. Green shows they're passed, red is declined, and blue is submitted. Top left of the screen, we can see that we're now in editing mode, so we can cancel out of that if we want to, but it's also telling us the layer that we're editing. And now, because we're in editing mode, if you look at the bottom of the screen, we've got four options. We've got the ability to select a feature, which is the arrow. We can choose the editing tools or drawing tools, which is a pencil. We can delete features, and we can also edit attributes or information, which is the eye. So the first thing we'll do is move a feature. We're going to move that green planning application point represented as a small square. So to do that, we're going to choose the edit button, which is the pencil. Finger tap on that, and we've got a list of our editing tools. We can create points, create lines, create shapes. We can move things, we can reshape, or we can close out of this menu. Let's choose move first of all. So choose finger tap move, and what we simply need to do is click on the feature we want to move. So let's click on that green square. It turns into a purple square. That means we can pick that up and we can move it to a different location. So let's drop it over that building there. At the bottom top of the screen, we can see in the editing mode it notices that we've made a move. And we can update that or save that change. Let's press update. So as we're going along, it will tell us that we're updating our data successfully. Let's have a look at moving a shape now. So the same again, let's choose the edit pencil. A finger tap there, let's choose move. And the same again, simply click on the feature that you want to move. So let's click on that green polygon, that planning app. It tells us we've selected it, which means we can pick it up and we can move it to an alternate location. Again, I'm going to press update, and that saves as we go along. Next thing we'll have a look at is the ability to reshape. So we've got a planning app which is a blue line there. So from the editing tools, the pencil, let's choose a reshape option this time. So reshape, finger tap on that. Again, we simply click on the feature that we want to reshape. So I've clicked on that blue line, and then just get the vertices that already exist, and you can move those vertices to a different location. If we want to make that line more accurate, we can also add vertices anywhere along that line just by finger tapping and actually dragging and moving a new point. Let's press update at the top. That's saving our data as we go along. Let's reshape the red polygon in the center of the screen there. So let's choose the pencil edit tool again. Let's choose reshape with a finger tap. Simply select the feature first of all by finger tapping in the middle of that feature. It selects it, tells us the border or the boundary, and then again just get the edges of that, and we can finger tap, hold down and drag the vertices that already exist to a new location. Again, we can create vertices along a line just by holding our finger down, dragging to a new location, letting go, and then we've reshaped that feature. Let's press update to save that change, and we can see the feature's been updated and saved. Next thing we'll do, let's have a look at this blue planning application here, and the next thing we'll do is let's edit its attributes. So we can see at the moment it's been submitted, so it's blue. So what we're going to do is choose the identify tool, and you'll notice if you press the identify tool or the attributes and you haven't got a feature selected, it'll say you haven't selected a feature. So let's OK to that. What we need to do is use a select button, which is the arrow with a box around it. Now that's activated, we can click on any of the features. Let's click on that blue polygon. It selects it. We notice that we're selecting it, and top right it says we're in select mode there. And then we're going to choose the eye attributes. So that brings up the attributes information form from the data for that feature that's stored in the database. So that could be any data that's related to your records. So we've got the requester here, location, we've got a plot reference, date it was created. So one thing we're going to change is the progress of the planning app. So where it says submitted, we can see there's a drop down box there because this is a list box choice. So it's ticked on submitted at the moment. Instead, let's change that to passed because it's going through planning app and it's been passed. Change that to past, and what we're going to do top right, we're going to press update, and that will save the changes. If you want to cancel out of this because you didn't want to make that change, you just finger tap on cancel. Well, let's finger tap on update. The feature's been updated to past, it's automatically been saved, and we can see that the feature's now gone green within our map window. Other thing you might want to do while you're out on site is to upload documents or photographs to any of your features. In this case, it's a planning app. So again, let's select our planning app. So finger tap on the select tool, finger tap on that particular feature, finger tap on the attributes button, which is the I. That opens up our attributes form. We've had a look at updating the information. The blue option in the middle at the top there is the ability to add and view files. So if there are any photographs or site documents already attached to this particular record, we can view them by choosing add or view. But if we want to upload some, we press that blue button as well. So we can see there's already a couple of options in there. What we're going to do is show you how to delete those. So you could also download them. We've got that cloud button to download those particular photographs or site images. But if you want to delete any, we can press the delete button. So you're sure you wish to delete, let's press yes. And let's delete the second one as well. Sure you want to delete, let's press yes. And what we're going to do is now upload some more documents. So this could be a photograph you take with your camera. So we could choose camera at this point, and that'll activate your camera. It could be a document that's stored in your library on your phone, or it could be a photograph or an image from any gallery that's already on your phone. So let's choose gallery. Again, it could be a stock photograph you've already got on your phone. You could take a photograph, but we're going to choose files. Now this could go to anywhere on your phone. It could be an iCloud location, Dropbox, Google Drive, but I'm just going to go to iCloud. And in there I'm going to go to a folder that's where I'm storing my images. So I've set up a folder there to store my images into. I've taken these photographs already. I simply can select one. I can select multiple ones if I want to, and then we simply choose to open. That will then take those documents or photographs or images from your device, and it will upload them and attach them to that particular feature. And if we press close now, and then we come back to the edit information form, if we press update, that will now update that particular feature and attach those two documents to that feature. What it's also going to do is take those documents or photographs and upload them to the server so people back at the office can see these features in real time. Next thing we'll do is have a look at deleting a record. So we're going to take this green polygon on the end, and to delete it, first of all we're going to select it. So again, with finger tap, let's press the arrow, let's finger tap in the middle of the feature to select it, and then let's choose the delete trash can. Finger tap on delete trash can. We can cancel out if we don't want to delete this, but we are going to, so let's choose yes. It'll say the data has been successfully deleted, and that's been automatically saved as well. So let's just zoom out slightly. We can see the changes that we've made. We've moved some features, we've reshaped some features. We've edited the attributes for a feature to turn it from submitted to past. We've also uploaded some documents or photographs, and we've deleted a feature. All of that is happening in real time. So MapThat Mobile is making those changes, and they're being recorded back live to your database. Many thanks for watching this video.